Are you a curious person? Imagine living 7,000 years ago. There are no hospitals, no anesthesia, no antibiotics, and yet someone cut open a human skull. Curious? Why would they do that? And how did the person survive? Today, we dive into one of the oldest and most mysterious medical procedures in human history. The first brain surgery ever performed by mankind. The first form of brain surgery was called trepanation. It means cutting or scraping a hole into the human skull. Sounds brutal, right? But this wasn't just one strange incident. Archaeologists have found hundreds of skulls from different parts of the world showing signs of trepanation. Some over 7,000 years old. Most shockingly, many of those people survived. How do we know? Because the edges of their skulls show signs of healing. One of the earliest known skulls with trepanation comes from France, and it's over 7,000 years old. Other skulls have been found in Ukraine and even in Peru. Intrigued? What's amazing is, these cultures had no contact with one another, yet they all practiced the same dangerous procedure. That means this wasn't an accident. It was knowledge, passed through time. Historians believe trepanation had several possible purposes. Spiritual reasons, to release evil spirits causing mental illness. Medical reasons, to treat head injuries from battles or falls. Relief from pressure, due to migraines, seizures, or brain swelling. What's amazing is that ancient humans had no modern tools, yet their methods worked. They used stone tools, sharpened bones, or flint to carefully cut into skulls, and still managed to keep the patient. Yes, and not just one or two. Some ancient skulls show multiple surgeries, meaning people survived the first, and then had another one later in life. Survival was proven by looking at the bone regrowth around the hole. No healing means the person died during or right after surgery. But healing? That means they lived, possibly for years after the operation. Modern brain surgery is incredibly advanced today, with microscopes, lasers, and robots. But the roots of neurosurgery go all the way back to these brave and mysterious beginnings. These ancient people may not have had scientific knowledge, but they had instinct, observation, and courage. Their story reminds us that even 7,000 years ago, humans were not just surviving. They were trying to heal, to understand the mind, and to push the limits of what was possible. So next time you hear the word brain surgery, remember, it all started with a hole in the head and a dream to survive. If you found this fascinating, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more facts. Thanks for watching.